Hey guys, V1JQB here. This is just going to be a short little video for any of you guys who are curious as to what an analyzer sounds like over the air. So we were just messing around there earlier, and we accidentally keyed a repeater with the analyzer, which was weird. So we did it again just to make sure. And then we were like, okay, what does it actually sound like? Just genuinely curious. So if you don't know, if you can't tell by the Yaesu hat back there, we're at the shack of V01AX for the weekend. Just putting his antennas up over after a little windstorm we just had. But yeah, we're here with an MFJ antenna analyzer there. Erin's got the control of it. She's on 2 meters, and we're just going to see what she sounds like on Simplex. Go ahead, Erin.
Yeah. Fire it up.
Got to get it on frequency. It's very, very sensitive.
It is very sensitive indeed.
Like within nanometers sensitive. Oh. So that's what your antenna analyzer sounds like when it's analyzing. Thanks for watching, guys. That is
That's it.
all the video we have for you today. And so the date right now is the 24th of November. I built my desk this summer, and I still don't have part 3 out. Don't kill me. I've been busy. I've worked 2 jobs. See you in the next one, guys.